Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and testing JAMELO Wireless Microphone System, a dual UHF handheld mic set designed for professionals by Lekato. Whether you are doing karaoke, hosting a wedding or speaking at a conference, this mic promises clear, crisp sound and stable transition. Plus, I recently used it at one of my gigs and it performed amazingly. Stick around to see my real-world experience with it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram to catch those videos. Let's start by opening the box. Notice the sleek, sturdy package. It hints at the quality inside. Let's see inside. We have manual here. So this is first receiver. So let's see the receiver. That's the receiver. Okay, two different output leveling for mics, ABS, and then power button, and it has two wireless transmitter antennas and two separate outputs, or we have just one mix output. We can use both, which one we prefer. I use both sides, so AB separate and also mix, take it out from mix. Both outputs works well, so balance two separate and one mix. This one is for adapter power, so let's put it aside for now. Now here is our mics. Let's see. First mic goes first. It's black metal. That side is plastic, but metal net on here as well. Probably aluminum. So let's see the other. This one is gray, like dark gray. You can separately recognize which one is which. If you say A this one, B this one, so we see how it works. You can separate them easily or recognize them easily. So it comes with mono jack to jack. This is for mix output, and we have here adapters with UK head. These are filters. I didn't try it. Yes, it works. Okay, that's good. Looks fancy. Let's try it. Now let's see how it works and how it sounds. So I have a Fender acoustic amp. I can try, and you can hear from that. So let's first plug it in. That's electricity, and let's use this jack cable to take out from the mix, as you hear here, mix, and direct to channel. Let's turn it on. Yay, it's come. We need to turn on the mics now. So I forgot that to told you. These needs two AA batteries. So two AA batteries on here. It needs a little bit stiff, but it works well. And this one is B, so you can see here. So gray one is B, and meanwhile this one has here high and low frequencies. So let's turn it on first. So it has channel 7. So let's see on here. Yeah, it's connected to channel 7. And if we touch, when I touch the high and low button, that one, the channel changes. So it starts from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10. B goes up to 10. So let it stay at 6. Okay, let's try the other one. Let's open the other one. then we'll test it. So I start with, this one is A, start with channel 1, again if we touch, click that one, channel 2nd, channel 3rd, channel 4th, 5th, and back to 1. So we have 10 channels in total. So that's it. Meanwhile, each mic is built with metal tubes and aluminum heads. Let's take this out for now. Aluminum nets on top, and ensuring durability and the premium feel. So it looks quality. See? The receiver also comes with metal body and separated, as I told, separated volume levels here. Let's put them a little bit down to not get feedback. We are close to speaker. Okay, let's turn it on. So first let's try A. Ki A. Say A. Ses A. Ki A. Say deneme A. Say test A. Say ki. Make it flat first. A. Ki. Say A. This is wonderful, isn't it? So this one is A. So black one is this. Let's put it here. And this one is B. So gray one. A. That's a little bit lower, I think. B. A. No, it's same level almost. Okay, that's cool. That sounds cool. So let's turn them off. Now I want to show you some footage from one of my latest gigs. I use those mics and I love them. Now I played the electricity here and it comes through directly from mix and directly to the channel. Channel is open. Now turn it on. Now it comes. So let's put it here. Turn it on. Say ses deneme A. Say A. One of the things I love about this mic system is the dual mic setup. At my gigs, I often invite people to come up and sing a song with us. So the second mic make that so much easier, without having to adjust my mic's level or tone. My guest could just grab the second mic and start singing. It kept the energy following and the sound is consistent. My audience really liked the mic too. A lot of them asked me for the link so they could buy it for their own events or even just for home karaoke parties. When people who love music get excited about mic, you know it's a good one. In summary, the JAMELO Wireless Microphone System is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a reliable, professional mic system with great sound quality and stable performance. Whether for home karaoke, public speaking or professional gigs, it covers all bases. And based on my live gig experience, I can say this mic system is a winner. Thanks for watching this unboxing and test reviews. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more honest reviews and unboxing videos from the Lekato family. And if you want to grab this mic set for yourself, check out the link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.